Everyone, welcome back. We'll see one more example for minimization of a DFSM. So this is a given DFSM. We are going to construct a new DFSM which is equivalent to this, which accept the language that is accepted by this, but which has a minimum states. So according to the algorithm which I explained in the previous video, we'll apply a min DFSM algorithm to find the minimized DFSM for a given DFSM. According to algorithm, the first step is we should create the classes, two classes, one class for a final states of a given DFSM and another class contain the states which are non-final in the given DFSM. So in this case, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6 are the states, 6 states are there. Among these, Q1 and Q3 are the final states and remaining are the non-final states. So first step is I should create the classes. The first class contain what? The final states of a given DFSM. So what are the final state here? Q1 and Q3 are the final state. So I will group these states into a one. Next, the non-final states are Q2, Q4, Q5 and Q6. So I'll write those in another class. Q2, Q4, Q5 and Q6. After that, I should check for a transitions for a given input symbols, that is A and B from these states. So after accepting the input symbol from a state, if they are belongs to a same class of a states, then I will not divide these in further. If they belongs to a different classes, then I am going to divide these classes into a subclasses. So for that I should check the transition first. So Q1 of A, I am considering the first class where I have a Q1 and Q3 state. So next Q1 of B I should check. Next Q3 of A and Q3 of B I should check. So Q1 of A, check out in the diagram where I reach to a Q2, where Q2 is a member of this class. So I'll write the whole class members. So Q2, Q4, Q5 and Q6. Next Q1 of B, where I reach to a Q4, where Q4 is a member of a same class, that is Q2, Q4, Q5 and Q6. Next Q3 of A. So Q3 of A, where I reach to a Q2. So whole class will come. So Q2, Q4, Q5 and Q6 I will write. Next Q3 of B. Q3 of B, where I reach to a Q6, where Q6 is a member of this class. So I'll write the whole class here. So check out here, Q1 of A, you are reaching what? Q2, Q4, Q5, Q6, and Q3 of A also belongs to this class. Check out the B transitions and check out the classes, it belongs to the same class. So no need to divide this class. Next I should check same for the other class states, that is Q2 of A. Next Q2 of B. Next Q4 of A, Q4 of B, Q5 of A, Q5 of B, Q6 of A, Q6 of B. So Q2 of A, where I reach, Q2 of A, check out the transition, I reach to a Q3, where Q3 is a member of this class. So I will write a whole class here, Q1, Q3. Q2 of B, I reach a Q5. So I will write Q2, Q4, Q5, Q6. Next Q4 of A, I reach to a Q5 state. So I will write Q2, Q4, Q5, Q6. Q4 of B, Where I reach to a Q1, where Q1 is a member of this class, Q1, Q3. Next, Q5 of A, I reach a Q6. So Q2, Q4, Q5, Q6 I'll write. Q5 of B, where I reach to a Q2. So I'll write Q2, Q4, Q5, Q6. Q6 of A, check out the transition. Where I reach a Q5. So I'll write here Q2, Q4, Q5, Q6. Q6 of B, where I reach a Q3. So I'll write here Q1, Q3. See, these are the transitions I got. So Q1, Q3 I am not dividing. So new class is equal to what? Q1, Q3 I will keep in a same class, because after accepting the A and B they are reaching to a same set of classes. Then Q2 I will check. Q2, Q1, Q3 it is reaching, whereas Q5 it is different. Q6 and Q5 are same. Q6, Q5 and Q4 are same after accepting the input symbol A. Next, check out for a input symbol B, Q5. Next, Q5 is different, Q2 is different, Q4, Q6 they are in a same state after accepting the input symbol A and B. So I will make a group of Q4 and Q6. Q2 and Q5 are the distinguishable states here. So I will write Q2 and Q5. Q2 is different and Q5 is different. So this group I divided into 3. So Q4, Q6 in one group, Q2 is in separate group and Q5 is in separate group. So now check out, see, I can further divide these two groups into a one class which contain a single state. So for that I should check Q1 of A, Q1 of B. Next, Q3 of A, Q3 of B. Q4 and Q6 I should check. Q4 of A, Q4 of B, Q6 of A, Q6 of B. So Q1 of A, where I reach to a Q2, where Q2 is a separate class. Q1 of B, where I reach to a Q4. So I'll write here Q4, Q6. Next, Q3 of A, where I reach to a Q2. Q3 of B, where I reach to a Q6, where Q6 is a member of Q4, Q6. Next, so check out, after accepting the A and B I am reaching the same state. So Q1, Q3 are indistinguishable. So I can't further divide this class. Same you check for Q4 and Q6. Q4 of A, where I reach to a Q5. Q4 of B, I reach to a Q1, where Q1 is a member of Q1, Q3. Next, Q6 of A. So Q6 of A, where I reach a Q5. Q6 of B, where I reach a Q3. So I reach what? Q1, Q3. So check out, after accepting A, I am reaching to a Q5 state only. After accepting B from Q4 and Q6, I am going to reach to a Q1, Q3. So these two are the indistinguishable states here. So I can't further divide these classes Q1, Q3 and Q4, Q6. So based on this, I will tell the final states of my min DFSM are Q1, Q3, Q4, Q6, next Q2 and Q5. Next, we should draw the DFSM for this. So here Q1 is a final state, Q1, Q3 are the final state. So this is my final state, and which is the start state here? Q1 is the start state, so final and start state will be Q1, Q3. Next, Q1, Q3 of A, where I reach to a Q2. Q1, Q3 of B, where I reach to a Q4, Q6. Next, Q4, Q6 of A, where I reach to a Q5. Next, Q4, Q6 of B, Q6 of B, where I reach to a Q1, Q3. Next, Q2 of A, where I reach. So Q2 of A, where I reach to a Q3. So Q2 of A, I reach to a Q3. Next, Q2 of B, where I reach to a Q5. So I will show that transition here. Next, Q5 of A, where I reach to a Q6. Q5 of B, where I reach to a Q2. So this is my minimized DFSM, which is equivalent to a original DFSM, and the language accepted by MinDFSM is equivalent to a language accepted by this original DFSM. So I hope you understood this problem. Thank you.